If you want to run Windows 11 on your Silicon Mac, there are free solutions for you. In this video, we will see how to install Windows 11 on your Silicon Mac. Let's see. First, we have to download UTM app. The download link is given in the video description. Then drag it to application folder to install. Then from this link, download free Windows 11. Log into your Microsoft account. If you do not have any Microsoft account, create a free account from here. Then learn more and register in Windows Insider program. Accept terms and agreement, then register. From this link, select Windows 11 and download it. Here Windows is in vhdx format. In this video we are going to install it through qemu-img format. Now we have to convert this vhdx file to qemu-img. To do this we have to install homebrew. So open brew.sh website and click here to copy and paste it to terminal. So open terminal and then paste it to terminal. Then wait for complete install. Now run this 3 lines command and then install qemu through this install command. Now type this command to convert, then drag source vhdx file and then drag vhdx file again and change it to qemu-img. Hit return. It will convert to qemu-img in the same location. Now open UTM app. Create new virtual machine, virtualize Windows and browse, select qemu-img image. Make sure install drivers and spice tools are installed. Then continue. I have 8 GB memory and so allocate 4 GB for this Windows and 4 core out of 8 cores. Then continue. Then click play button to start Windows. Wait for some moment to start Windows installation. It can be restarted multiple times. Now select country, language and keyboard layout. Here you may find this window where you can unable to continue without selecting Wi-Fi network. To fix this, press Shift and F10 to bring command prompt. Then type this bypass nro command, hit return. It will restart now. Now click I do not have internet connection to continue. Create your user for Windows. And it will take some moment to complete installation. After installation, here you can see the resolution does not match and Wi-Fi is also not working. Now we have to download Spice Tools. In Mac Safari, go to these links from the video description and download it. And from UTM window, mount Spice Tool ISO from here. And open it from Windows. And install it. Now you can see the display resolution is matched and Wi-Fi is also working. Now we can use Windows in full screen mode. That's all. Hope it is help you. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.